A new AI player entered the game this week that may or may not have ripped off OpenAI. While recent reports allege Chinese startup DeepSeek used outputs from OpenAI models to train its own, Channel Insider wanted to know what emerging AI models overall mean for the industry. Let's dig into it.
What DeepSeek has done, which I think is absolutely compelling, is how fast they've caught the frontier.
The tech world was rattled on Monday, January 27, 2025, in the wake of reports DeepSeek's latest AI models outperform competing open-source models and are on par with leading closed-source models. The shocker was that DeepSeek said these models required far less money, fewer and substandard GPU chips, and a shorter training period than models from OpenAI and Anthropic, upsetting everything tech leaders thought they knew about creating resource-hungry AI models. Following the news, chipmaker NVIDIA's stock prices plummeted about 17% in a day, as investors pondered if this could signal the end of the chip boom.
It's going to be a major shift in rethinking the path that we were going down. This changes the mindset of what you need for an AI in building. And in doing so, those bigger companies need to pivot, right? And they will pivot because they've got the mind share, the thought process, and the people to do it.
Additionally, DeepSeek's AI assistant surpassed ChatGPT as the #1 most popular free app on the Apple App Store in the US. But beyond the initial shock and awe, what does any of this mean for IT solutions and services providers and their customers?
The businesses will have some sort of shift in posture because where everybody took what was available at the time, they're starting to learn the difference between large language models. They're starting to learn how impactful data is to AI. Has it affected the channel yet? And the answer is not really. We're so far behind the curve, we have not had a chance to catch up. The professional services model or customer success model or our past service delivery models have not been, if you will, adopted by AI models, right? Like we have not identified the gaps that are necessary to be filled.
But experts say now is the time for channel providers to learn about AI models and what they can be applied to through testing in closed environments and peer conversations. As for how DeepSeek's new AI models could impact the future of AI innovation, it's possible competitors could learn from the startup's open source framework.
So you can actually test their models and APIs out there and see what they've done. Is there opportunity of looking at what they did and using it to accelerate your space? Absolutely, yes.
Even if DeepSeek isn't the AI upset we thought it was, the race to the top of the AI model mountain is still very much ongoing. I'm Katie Bavoso. For more IT channel news and trends, check out channelinsider.com.